Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to withdraw money from YouTube to bank account step by step. So the first thing that you're going to do is simply open any browser on your PC. Then navigate to Google AdSense login page and click on Google AdSense link. Now it will simply take you to this page where you can click on sign in and log in using your user credentials. Now after logging in, you will see the Google AdSense dashboard. Now here you'll have to simply ensure that your YouTube AdSense balance has reached at least $100 or your local currency equivalent. Now Google only sends payments once you cross this minimum threshold limit, that is $100. Now after navigating here and making sure that you have at least $100, you'll have to click on the payments button at the bottom left of this dashboard. Now click on payments info button. It will take you to this page where you can see you have this page. So make sure that your earnings is at least $100 and simply click on the choose payment method button that you will see here under how you get paid. Now after you click on choose payment method, it is going to take you to the next page where you'll have to simply add payment method and choose your payment method. Then enter your bank account details like account number, SWIFT code, account number, name and all the details related to your account. Then add the SWIFT code for international users. Then Google may deposit a test amount to verify your bank account. Now, step 4 is verifying your identity if required. So you'll have to upload an official ID like passport, license if Google asks for identity verification. Now, step 5 is waiting for the monthly payment. So Google processes payments between the 21st and 26th of each month. Once processed, the funds are sent to your bank account within a few business days. So simply use the transaction history section in the AdSense to track payment dates and amounts. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.